Hello guys, this is part 3 of the series about Bruges. You can find the first 2 parts on my channel. In the first video we started at the beginning and followed the horse carriage more to the center of Bruges, where we stopped at the Bridge of Lovers. In the second part we are on a boat and you see Bruges from a whole other angle. We sailed along the beautiful buildings and hotels of the historical center of Bruges. In this last part we walk to the main square. On this corner, where 2 canals cross each other, most visitors take the time to make the best possible photos of Bruges. It's called Rosary Quay. We go direction of the blind Mee Bridge and take a last look at the famous hotel from the movie in Bruges. Via the blind Donkey Street we arrive at the big plaza called the BURG. On this plaza we see the city hall, a courthouse and the Basilica of the Holy Blood. The Bruges city hall's construction started in 1376 and was completed in 1421. It is one of the oldest city halls in the entire Netherlands region. The architectural style is a late Gothic monumental style. On the right of the city hall is the Basilica of the Holy Blood, a Roman Catholic basilica, built between 1134 and 1157. From here we go to the main square via the Bredel Street. The big plaza is very alive. The horse carriages start here, many hikers and bicycles cross in all directions. Imagine the market square as the scene of medieval festivities, fairs, tournaments and even executions, in the shadow of the Belfry Tower. Today it's a plaza where 4 million travelers from around the world arrive to behold the belfry and the old medieval buildings. It's a great place to start or end a visit to the city. The square is surrounded with restaurants, museums and other interesting houses. The most impressive monument is of course the belfry with its tower of 88 meters high. There are other exceptional buildings that take our attention and that had an important role in the history of this city. If you have an interest in history about the city, then you should definitely take a virtual tour in the Historium. With the help of audio guides, you will be brought in different themed rooms and experience the medieval life with film, music and special decors. We are here on the Mee Bridge. We passed here under this bridge in our boat trip. You can check this video in part 2 of Bruges. We are now going northeast to the windmills, the last visit of our tour. From the center to the windmills it is about 20-minute walk. In the 13th century, 25 windmills arose on the edge of the old city. Today, 4 windmills are still present. They are connected via a hiking trail called Kruisvest along the canal. People come here to relax and enjoy the calm of the park.
time.
This is the medieval city gate where we will leave Bruges. This gate, called Kruispoort, dates from the 1400s. With this last look at the city, our adventure ends here. I hope you had a great time watching this 3-part video of Bruges. If you like traveling, make sure to subscribe to the channel for future videos.